And if you want to put your can in there or your coffee, you can do that too. What's up, everybody? Justin here from Blazin Biddles, and today I got a new product for you. I think most of y'all will appreciate this if you have a Squarebody K5 Blazer or Suburban, but we finally made a fix for those lousy cup holders. Let's go check it out. I have my canteen here. I love this canteen. Take it everywhere. Guess what? Damn thing just doesn't fit. It sucks. These cup holders, you know, they kind of suck, and I've always hated them. So we came up with something a little bit better. So let me get it here, and I'll show you what we got going on. That's the small spot. Big. So for your canteens, you know, because everybody loves their canteens nowadays. Nice tight fit. Holds it pretty dang good in there. The first thing you do here, you reach underneath. There's two little release tabs. So you can see right here. So that gets out your factory one, just like that. First piece here, this is your base. For your base, go ahead and just set this on here to start. I like to just line up the marks back here where your factory clips were, because you're gonna have new clips that screw on. All right, so now that we have that laid out, as you can see, then we have to go in here and we gotta mark it. So I know some of you guys might get a little worried at this part, but don't worry about it. I promise you it'll be worth it. So, in your package, when you receive your Blazin Biddles cup holder, you will get your main piece, you will get your phone holder part that'll go here, and you will get your two cup holders. You will have to assemble yourself. All the hardware is included, as well as the mounting tabs that'll go here. And then the cup holders right here will have the mounting tab in the front right here. So this will lock into place, and then the back two will clip into your console. First things first, you'll have your hardware, and there is some different size screws as well. And you'll also receive an instruction booklet with each set that you get. Instruction booklet is here as follows. Has all the instructions on how to mark, how to notch, the tabs you need to cut out, everything that you need to do for it, and where everything screws in. Shown here. So after we finish getting everything cut, we will get it all installed, and we will show you how they work. So when you assemble them, the taller edge goes towards the back of the cup holder like so. And you will leave these kind of loose until after your console gets locked in place, and then you can tighten them. Alright, and now you're assembled and ready for installation. At this point, the cup holders, they go small. You go counterclockwise to make them bigger, and clockwise, that one's already all the way in. Counterclockwise to make them bigger, and clockwise to make them smaller. So there you go. Alright, and now that your center console has been trimmed, the Blazin Biddles cup holder is ready for install. Pushed in, and then the screws get locked in place. And just like that, you got the Blazin Biddles cup holders. Now, that canteen fits perfectly. Just like that. And then after you snap it in place, you go ahead and lift this up and you tighten these 4 screws back here. I need to go find my Allen. I'll tighten mine up, but once those are tight, your Blazin Biddle cup holders are officially installed. That's the small spot. Big. So, for your canteens. You know, because everybody loves their canteens nowadays. Nice tight fit. Holds it pretty dang good in there. And then if you want to put your can in there or your coffee, you can do that too. Alright, thanks everybody. Blazin Biddle cup holders. Tell your friends, check them out.